downtime where people are, know EDM music, and oh, high five, bro. Nope. Oh yeah. They know the little kids pass. It's not like we're filming anything. Do 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 do. Oh, do do do. He's still recording.
Yes, I am. Keep talking.
You're only here once. You just gotta really put time into the things that matter.
I'm recording you. We're back in action, baby. It's the sound of the future.
High fives, get them up, good. Yep, good to be here. Two kinds of people know karate, the Chinese and the king, and I'm one of them.
We're here live in Croatia with Light Before Work Travel. The party is just getting started. The sun isn't going to set for a while. There's body shots. We've been playing on the children's merry-go-round. Life is pretty good right now.
So between the beach party at Lombardo, we actually got to play on this outdoor little inflatable, I think it's for kids under age of 10, but we obviously went there and just tried to do flips off of everything.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. That was awesome.
Oh, and this is where Parker lost the GoPro the first time on this trip. Yeah, he lost it twice, but this was the first one. Anyways, we got it back. But not until someone else captured the GoPro.
I wanna swim upstream and through your blood. I wanna hold you tight in my arms so I can feel your heart beat next to mine. When you talk to me, I can only see you. And when you come for me, the sun will rise as we are one. As we are one. As we one. As we are
So Adam wanted to learn to do a double backflip, and he's seen our videos before, so he knew that we can do flips and doubles and whatever. So he asked us, okay, like, you know, one of these days, can you guys teach me how to do it? Today is day 4 of our Croatia trip. And Adam is doing a double backflip. You got this. You're gonna crush it.
Yeah, wait, one second. Oh my god, are you okay?
The first try he did it, kind of didn't fully rotate, landed on his head. Second try, kind of chickened out a little bit, fell on his back. On his third try, he nails it.
yeah, buddy!
I've never seen anyone learn to double that quickly.
I wanna hold you tight in my arms so I can feel your heart beat next to mine. I wanna live. As we are one. As we are one.
We did have one close encounter off the boat. One of the guys on the tour, Nathan, he runs and he dives out, and the moment he dives out, like, he's rotating too far, right?
Yeah! Oh, no.
And he just goes bam, right in the water. Gets out of the water, 2 black eyes and bloodshot eyes for the rest of the trip. Like, some serious war wounds.
Filming?
Yes.
Good.
Makarska. Some of the guys, the videographers, Hamish and Adam, they say, you know, you guys do flips. We really want to get you doing some flips on the grass. So we have a little parkour session on the grass.
No farting allowed.
Ow.
Go faster. Okay, slow.
Just got a breakdance circle going on. Safety first, helmets, you know, we got the best of the best. We're crushing it.
about an hour to find the right scooters, but now we've got pretty much the most important biker mice from Mars gang. We're gonna kick it in the city. This is cold fuck. Brakes, Russia.
Honestly, if you ever go traveling, and this is just bar none, even in your own city, scooters are the best way to explore.
The 50cc scooter just can't do it.
We lost Riker in the mountains of Croatia, but maybe he will hear the battle call.
Maybe. Makarska, there's a nightclub which is inside of a cave, literally a cave in the mountain on the beach. And you know, you got a beach here and you got a cave, and the bar is inside the cave. It was really cool. I've never seen anything like it. It was super hot.
Just come. Like, you have to see. Just follow. And it's Hamish birthday.
We're going to a cave party. It's going to be about 300 degrees in there. But come on.
Why did you do?
Water is connected, all nature is connected, but this is not Urubamba, this is the...
What is it? I know what it is, don't ask.
I think we should just sit here and talk about the people walking by.
Let's do it.
Hello. How are you?
So there was a woman in pink who walked across once. She walked bad fortune happened to her that day.
Oh, she just tripped.
Oh, she's bleeding. She's bleeding out of her eyes. Nathan.
She's alright, So, we're going home tomorrow. It's our last day. What are we gonna do today? Same thing we do every day. 77, 8, 9. There was like 3.
Try to take over the world. And we're gonna go shopping.